center of power. The narrative takes a fascinating twist with the rise of the Kalhora dynasty in the mid-18th century. Choosing Hyderabad as their capital in 1768, they transformed the city into a bustling metropolis. Under their rule, Hyderabad flourished, becoming a beacon of trade and manufacturing. The city was renowned for its ornamental silks and lacquered ware, items that were much sought after for their exquisite craftsmanship and unique designs. The Kalhora dynasty, with their visionary leadership, not only elevated the city's economic status but also enriched its cultural landscape. To recap, we started our journey in the medieval times of Narun Kot, moved through the reign of the Rai and Chacha dynasties, witnessed the conquest by Muhammad bin Qasim al-Saqafi, and finally, reveled in the golden era of the Kalhora dynasty. Through this journey, we've seen how Sindh Hyderabad evolved from a small settlement to a thriving city, how it weathered the storms of change,